Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. I am L.K. Tripathi, your SST teacher from LPM Public School. Dear students, today we shall discuss about the solar system. Solar system is the very important topic of your geography portion. What is the solar system? We shall discuss through this video clearly and completely. So, now we have the time to start the topic. The solar system consists of the sun, planets, including our Earth, which revolve around the sun in fixed paths, called orbits. Other celestial bodies like asteroids, moons, dwarf planets, meteorites, comets, etc. are a part of the solar system. So they are not concluded at the part of in the solar system, they are actually the part of the solar system. Earth, our Earth, which is also known as unique planet, revolve around the sun in fixed path called orbits. Earth revolves on its orbit. Earth rotates on its axis. Axis and orbit both are different. The revolution of the Earth happens on its axis and the rotation of the Earth happens on its axis and the revolution happens on its orbits. Other celestial bodies, they are considered as asteroids, moons, dwarf planets, meteorites, comets, etc. are a part of the solar system. They are the part of the solar system. The sun is at the center of the solar system and its gravitational pull keeps all the planets and other bodies in their orbits. The sun, what is the sun? Made up of intensely hot gases. The sun is the largest member of the solar system. This is also known as the father of the solar system, and it is a huge ball of hot gases. It provides heat and light to all the planets. Without the sun, life on Earth would not exist, and our planet would be completely barren and frozen. Without sun, life is not possible anywhere on the earth. In absence of the sun's light, everything will lose their existence. The gravitational field of the sun holds the entire solar system together. The sun's gravitational field holds the entire solar system together. The planets, in the Greek language, the term planet means wanderer. This is a Greek word. Wanderer means always in moving position, traveling position. That is the planets. The celestial bodies called planets have been named so because they are in constant motion around their parent stars. The sun has 8 planets that orbit around it. The sun has 8 planets, they orbit around it. No two planets are the same. In the solar system, the planets which exist in our space or around the Earth, they are not having the same name or same position, same size. They are different in their nature. They have different compositions, surface, temperatures, and gravitational pulls. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are called inner planets as they are closer to the Sun. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, which lie farther from the Sun, are called outer planets. They are the planets, that is, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are farther from the Sun. They are known as the outer planets. These have rings around them and many moons. इनमें रिंग्स है और बहुत सारे मून्स हैं इसमें. While the sun has its own light like other stars, जबकि सन में इसकी खुद की लाइट होती है जैसे और स्टार्स में होती है. The planets reflect the light of the sun. Moreover, like other stars, the sun emits its own heat too, and planets receive this heat from it. The orbits in which the planets move around the sun are shaped like flattened circles. The paths that they move in are elliptical, so they are also called ellipses. Besides revolving around the sun, each planet also rotates on its axis. Some planets have their own moon or smaller celestial bodies orbiting around them. Now Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the closest planet to the Sun. It is also the fastest moving planet as it revolves around the Sun once in every 88 days. However, it spins on its axis very slowly once in every 58.6 days. Its temperature is around 400 degrees Celsius during the day. You can imagine how much heat the sun is during the day. The heat of the sun goes more than 400 degrees Celsius but drops to about minus 170 degrees Celsius at night. This is because Mercury has almost no atmosphere. Venus is the hottest planet with a temperature of 475 degrees Celsius even during the night. This is because its atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, a gas that traps heat. Since its size is almost the same as that of the Earth, it is also called sister planet of the Earth. It is the brightest planet in the night sky and easy to spot from the earth. As it appears in the early morning or evening, it is also called morning star or evening star. The earth is the fifth largest and the third nearest planet to the sun. अर्थ जो है सोलर सिस्टम का फिफ्थ लार्जेस्ट है और थर्ड नियरेस्ट प्लैनेट सन का है. इट इज़ द ओनली प्लैनेट दैट हैज़ लाइफ सपोर्टिंग कंडीशंस लाइक वाटर एंड एयर which are essential for survival. From the outer space, the earth appears blue because two-thirds of its surface is covered by water. It is therefore called the blue planet. Now next, that is Mars. Mars is often referred to as the red planet because of the presence of red soil. This planet has many features in common with the Earth, such as an atmosphere with clouds and polar caps that melt partly in summer. But it has no water and very thin and dry atmosphere. It has two small satellites. Now that is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system with faint rings around it. It is about 318 times heavier than the Earth. Also, its diameter is about 11 times more than that of the Earth. It is a gas giant made up of hydrogen and helium and is covered by a layer of clouds. It has no solid surface like most other planets. Jupiter is also the fastest rotating planet that causes severe storms. It also has a strong magnetic field and 67 natural satellites. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system after Jupiter. It is known for its rings. Space studies show that this planet has 12 major rings made up of ice particles varying in size from very small to as big as an iceberg. Saturn is visible without using a telescope. It has 62 natural satellites. Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet after Jupiter and Saturn. It is 4 times larger than the Earth. Uranus is similar to Jupiter and Saturn in its composition, but colder because of its distance from the Sun. Uranus also has thin rings, but they cannot be seen from the Earth as they are black in color. It has 27 natural satellites. In this way, up to here we have studied. Next we shall study in the next video. Thank you.